I have a move here. USD, USD JPY. Gotta be more careful on those because the pips are so far apart. Let me draw my little miniature trend line here. Same one for here. I should be able to see my charts. All right, cool. Another wick. Let's try one here. I'm also trying to work on my emotions with this stuff, bro, because I'll be getting super nervous, bro. Even with a good setup, I'll be shaking. Mm. You can go that way if you want to. If you want to draw it like that, that's fine. I'm talking to myself, y'all. I'm talking about drawing these trend lines. That's the like for a breakout and things like that. Do you want it? How do you feel? Go to GBP USD real quick on Nadex. Just got a break. Wait for the refresh. Wait for the refresh. Got another break on USD JPY. Some consolidation here. Sellers are really trying to take control with these wicks going down. Now you can see. Let's see. False breakout. I'm gonna take a bite of my taco while this is all happening. Got another break. USD JPY. Remember, This is a clean break. We have to be careful because strike prices are 4 pips apart, whereas on the other three, they're 2 pips apart. Gotta be careful. Let me just draw it out for y'all. I normally draw them out. I'm about to get in, not yet, but I just want to show y'all where it's at on Nadex. 148.887. So you can see the distance. One is here. Another one is here. Look at that. At 4 pips. We could probably move the Fibonacci's right now. Let's see what we got. If anything is cooking on AUD USD. Let's look at the AUS. Oz. The Wizard of Oz. The Oz. Not on this one, but a lot of times the strike prices don't change. So if we do get in one, it'll be about, it'll be somewhere around 2, 3. There's a 6, 5, 2, 3 right there. There's so much consolidation on USD JPY. I'm just waiting for a break, hopefully a break upward and not a break down. So let's see. Ooh, got a slight headache. 26 seconds left in this 5-minute binary. Velvet taco. There it is. Possibly. No, I said possibly. Gotta be careful. No. So it hit that area and come back. Hmm. We just gotta be patient, y'all. It is 10:05. Just gotta be patient, y'all. Patience wins the game. Follow the setup. Be patient. Ooh, I do have like a slight headache, bro. Like we broke the trend line here. Strike price still the same. He changed it up. Oh, I forgot if you do 10 contracts, it's 100. It's 100. I'm gonna go ahead and hit that. Did I get placed? I'm gonna refresh the page because I'm not sure if they placed my order, and they didn't. Uh, Nadex, what y'all doing? Uh, like, bro, I hit buy. I'm confused on what's going on. I mean, pull back or not, that's my strategy. At least allow me the opportunity to get out. But they didn't even place it, so it said order canceled. I wonder why. We might have some on USD JPY. I don't like the fact that it's only 2 minutes left. I'm gonna have to wait till the next five. 'Wah." See, like, on AUSD, the candle started down here. You saw that? Little market gap, a little bit of gap there. There's so much consolidation right there. You just gotta be patient and wait for a break. Hopefully, break in the direction that I wanted to break, which is up. 40 seconds left. Not on this candle, which is about 7 seconds left, but on the actual Nadex 5 minute binary. It's 30 seconds left. Ooh, it's breaking up now. I would need to basically like wait, broke out, put back in, and broke right up afterwards. Strong engulfing candle, which is what I like to look for. So we got 10 seconds before the next binary session begins. Esta noche descubrí la emoción. Va de chis en tu mí. This one possibly starting a whole new trend. I'm gonna go ahead and catch the buy here. If they don't place my order, bro, like, bro, come on, man. Now y'all BSing me, bro. What the hell is going on? My positions are not, they're not showing up on the screen. Oh, now it's show. Lord have mercy. Now it shows 2 years later. I'm gonna share this. Now it shows now, 16 years later. That's this right here. I'm gonna put it over here so just in case I need to close on out. Yeah, it show now. That's why I'm like, bro, what the F? See, I'm gonna move this strike price over here so I can see it in relationship to these candles over here. Because sometimes Nadex, well, not sometimes, all the time, Nadex lags extremely. Nadex has a very poor lag. It looks like it hit another resistance area. Gotta be careful with those. Might have to get out soon. How much time I got? I'm gonna update the tracker as I go. So remember, I only got 4 trades maximum. So we got 2 minutes and 35 seconds with this trade. So now we're starting to get a little green here. I think my maximum is starting to pull back. I wish I could show them side by side so you could see the major difference between how Nadex lags. Well, obviously it's gonna have some lag to it, but a lot of times it just lags horribly, bro. It's starting to push up now, starting to break out pretty strong. Well, it was already broken out, but it's starting to really shoot past. So we may have some movement on Euro USD as well. But remember, we got 1 minute and 45 seconds left, so we can't really just say we won. Even if I were to cash out, I would probably still lose with these $9 here. So it's starting to pull back. When you see this number dipping like that, that means it's starting to pull back past that strike price. So it's coming back down. Let me push this out a little bit more so you can see that. Oops. Coming back down. We'll see. It all depends on this time here. Expired time is very different from the time on the actual candles, the 5 minute candles. This time matches up with 5 minute candles, but on a gold chart, it doesn't match up. So it really just depends on my time and the candles movement over here. So this is 20 seconds left on this candle and 48 seconds left on this expiry time. So this candle could be me or the next one, possibly. It's pushing up now, so that's a good sign. Pushing up now, strong. So yep, good trade. It's gonna be a good trade. Boom, 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 boom. 30 seconds left. Again, anything could happen. 30 seconds left. I'm gonna go ahead and once this was done, I'm gonna look at that Euro USD and USD JPY to see what I got. But I think that's a good trade. We got 15 seconds left. Starting to pull back a little bit. We should still win that. Great job. Now it's pushing up for real to that next one. Like on this counter right here, I would say kind of broke this little area here. Pushed back, broke out again. So let's look at Euro USD a little bit. We're gonna hop back over to the other chart. That was this one here, y'all. This was our win right here. We got in here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, boom. All right, so good trade, good trade. One more trade to hit that 48 we were talking about. We may have something on Euro USD possibly, or GBP USD. Let's take a look at that one. Good trade. On to the next one. No hard feelings. It's in the past. Got to let it go. I really want to redraw that support level. I mean, it's just like right there. We could lower it down to here. It's gonna be pretty big, but we can really lower it down. To about right here. Turn my speaker back on. Huh? I don't know if I can hit. They're gonna be able to hear me without my speaker. Come on, Marky, give me some. That happened around some 10, 15, 13. Mm-hmm. 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 Under the street lights, 'cause I got you. Oh, oh, 'cause I got you. Still consolidating here. It wasn't a one of one trade, but it was a good trade. We broke the line for Euro USD. We gotta wait for that one to close though. We can't just hop in. It gotta close. But then it has another area right here as well. Oh, I don't like it, bro. Because the strike price is, look at where the strike price is in relation to the time. Remember, we need at least 3 minutes on that clock. Strike price is right here, literally at resistance area. They know what they're doing, bro, when they do that. They know exactly what they're doing. Now I gotta drop my resistance area like this. They know what they know when they do that. Oh, no, 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 'cause I got you. I'm on the street lights, 'cause I got you. Who the hell is Jordan? Who the hell is that? Jordan. Do I know a Jordan? I know a black Jordan. It went down. Like I said, it all depends on what this next one does, bro. Oh, that Jordan. I was like, who the hell is Jordan? This a little support area right here. Now, if it breaks that, we may have some movement on those two. Let's look at GBP USD because I see some strong movement there, which is what I like. And that one will be here. Oh, we gotta wait for that close though. I can't just jump. I gotta wait for a close, man. Oh, it ain't worth nothing now, dog. Uh, that was a break on the Euro USD. I just like, man, I like it gotta close for me to break. It's a break, but it ain't a look. You see this strong break right here? That's a strong break on GBP USD. The issue is strike price right there. The strike price right here. That's the issue that I have. Hold on real quick, y'all. Be right back. And I'm never gonna do you forget. Hey, what is the blame of the screen? Good girls, don't cry. Good girls, justify. And I know. So we want a strong engulfing candle break. Is it easy to pretend that what girl I want to know that feeling? Good girls, don't cry. Good girls. And now we'll be here. Strong break. 1625 will be here. Good girl. Same thing for GBP USD. It broke. How much time do we have left? I believe we can make it with that. How much time do we have? That is at, it just hit that level though. That's the thing. Where are we? It broke our, well, it didn't break it. It's inside the zone. So no, can't do that. Gotta follow the rules. It's inside. It's just here, came through. It's inside the support area. Sorry to take a leave because I got a headache. Not many one of one movements tonight, y'all. Sorry. Some would say this was one, but I don't believe so. I mean, it came back up, hit the resistance level and at the EMA. Possibly. Possibly. Now it's just playing inside this zone. Excuse me. Trying to follow my rules, man. It didn't break the zone, so I can't get in. This is consolidate upward. It's creating that like that wedge, that channel. That's a rising wedge, as some might call it. Dang, them boys didn't show up. Talking about, yeah, we gonna be on. Is it easy to pretend when it won't? Girl, I want to know that feeling. Good girls. If it break the resistance, I mean the support, we'll catch it here. Good girl. I'm gonna go ahead and draw it out on GBP USD just to see where it's at. 3365 right here. Girl, I want to know that feeling. Good girls don't cry. Good girls justify. These are the days you'll behind. So live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child. These are the nights that never die. My father told me dun 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 these are them days you'll leave this world behind. So live a life you will. I could have swore that candle ended, and now it's saying it has 35 seconds left. I could have swore it said 0. I must have misread it. There's a gap there. Pull down. Let me show y'all real quick on the Nadex. He said one day you'll leave this world behind. So live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child. These are the nights that never die. My father told me. Bum, bum, ba-da-da-dum, ba-da-da-dum, dum, da-da-da-dum, dum, 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 da-da-da-dum. As you can see how the candles look very different on Nadex versus Go Chart or TradingView. This candle right here on trading on Go Chart is green, but it has a big wick, so that's probably why they made it red here. So again, we gotta be careful when we know when to get out. Got a minute and 50 left. He said one day you'll see it says 5 seconds left on this candle, but then it's gonna start over from a whole minute. That's what's throwing me off on over here. Like, why is the same candle still going? I'm on a 1 minute chart, but it's showing like that the candle has like 2 minutes to it. That confusing me. Either that or my headache is worse than I think. I know how to count. That thing's showing two. That candle went on for 2 minutes. The 1 minute candle been on for 2 minutes. That ain't right. I don't see much movement, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It's bouncing off that same line. I might go ahead and get out, but I'm gonna see. How much time I got left? 50. And now it's starting to move up as my time go down. I mean, the same candle been on for I don't know how many goddamn seconds. Oh, now they won't let me get out. But on the other trade, they let me get out. I had 11 seconds left. See what I mean, bro? By the lag kind of throw you off. Now it's past the line on Go chart. It's way past it. It dropped like a mug. So they better give me this one. And that was an OTM. Let's go. Let's go. That was a break. See, sometimes you just gotta wait a little bit and trust your trade, bro. Let me see. That's this one right here, y'all. That's this over here. So I got in here on this green candle right here. Let me zoom in so y'all can see. I got in here. This was the first minute, second, third, fourth, fifth. Right? I got in here on a breakout. It pulled back, pulled out, came out, hit the resistance, boom. Hit it again, long wick, boom, pushed on, boom. Now some people get in on a third candle, but this was our strategy here. Sometimes you gotta be patient, but that was the move. I ain't had no one-on-one moves today, y'all, but it is what it is. Typically I get in where it's coming off the line here, but again, I didn't have much time. Normally, if I had something like, let's see, I'm trying to find a good example. Like this, off the line, come back, pull back, break, close. I would have got in for a buy right here. Let's see a good example of a sale. Good example of a sale. I mean, you could draw your resistance line here, or you could draw one right here. That's just the top. You could draw one here, and you got in, close here. You'd have got in for the sale here. Boom. Right when it broke there, you'd have catch a sale here. So just depends. But we done for the night. That was 2 trades. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how I'm gonna add this to my chart, to my trading chart. We made a total of $81 today. Good work, good work, good work, good work. All praises due to Allah. First trade was on USD JPY. We got to update it here too. What? That was the BTC straight up support break because that was USD JPY. I'm sorry, that was a resistance break. Resistance break, BTC strap resistance break. Um, break resistance consolidation going up. Consolidation was going upwards. Got upward rising wedge. Rising wedge. How much do we profit from that? Let me update it here. Now that's just today. We let it go. Tomorrow's another day. We did USD, JPY, to 10 contracts. So we had $2 fees, $61. Settlement. So we made $37 from there. The next one was GBP. Again, nothing was one of one. That's fine. $881. So the first one we made $81. It shows here, and it even show here. We're doing pretty good so far. We'll see. Tomorrow's another day, y'all. Tomorrow's another day. Also, BTC. BTC is break the curse. Break the curse. Ah! How much do we need? $37 on the first one, $44 on the second one. I got too many tabs. Should show the total over here, 81. Yes. Break. It was a support break, right? It could have been better. It could have been much better. I said it could have been better. Still, I think it was not a bad trade. Could have been better. They weren't. Because I really get in closer to the EMA. This was a break of support. A little too far from the 34 EMA. Gotta be careful with those. Be careful. So tomorrow is the 3rd. All right, y'all. That's it. We're gonna go ahead and stop sharing. Call it a day and peace, y'all. Appreciate y'all tuning in, being patient with me. Made a total of $81, making some progress. So practice patience a little bit more, trusting the trade, and knowing when to get out. We'll work on that. All right. Peace.